Instead of regularly climbing a ladder to clean out your gutters, installing gutter guards offers a simpler solution. These guards help keep debris, leaves, and excess water from clogging the gutters, reducing the need for frequent cleanings. Blocked gutters can cause several issues, such as roof leaks, basement flooding, mold growth, and pest infestations. Gutter guards help maintain proper water flow, preventing these problems from occurring. With their ability to keep your gutters clear, they provide an effective and long-lasting way to protect your home from potential damage caused by clogged gutters. In this guide, we have curated the best gutter guards on the market. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 8. FlexxPoint FlowGuard Premium Gutter Cover System. For homeowners prioritizing long-term durability, the FlexxPoint FlowGuard Premium Gutter Cover System stands out as a reliable solution. These gutter guards are designed to be permanently attached to the fascia board, ensuring a secure and stable fit. Their innovative design includes 3 ridges that elevate debris, allowing water to flow freely even during heavy rainfall. Available in multiple colors like white, black, brown, and matte silver, they can easily complement your home's exterior. Users have praised the product for its straightforward installation process and excellent performance in tough weather conditions. While the initial cost may be higher than some alternatives, the system's robustness and low-maintenance design offer great value in the long run. These guards are ideal for homeowners looking for a durable and aesthetically pleasing way to keep their gutters free from clogs, debris, and other common gutter issues. Number 7. FIRMDKWEED 13-Pack Gutter Guard. The FIRMDKWEED 13-Pack Gutter Guard offers a reliable way to maintain clear gutters by blocking leaves, pine needles, and roofing debris. Measuring 5 inches by 52 feet, each guard ensures that rainwater flows smoothly, preventing overflow and clogs. Made from sturdy, corrosion-resistant aluminum, these guards are rust-free and durable. Installation is simple. Just slide the guard under the shingles, secure with the included screws, and easily cut to fit various gutter shapes like K-style or half-round. The system strengthens your gutters, helping them handle snow and ice buildup, while also reducing cleaning time by keeping debris out. They offer an affordable and effective solution. FIRMDKWEED filter is best suited for homes with light debris and minimal weather challenges, providing an inexpensive and hassle-free option for gutter maintenance. Number 6. GutterBrush Gutter Inserts. The GutterBrush gutter inserts offer a simple and effective way to keep your gutters free from debris. This brush-style guard slides into the gutter, forming a barrier that prevents leaves, twigs, and even ice from clogging your drainage system. The bristles also deter birds and other animals from nesting in the gutters, making it a versatile solution. Available in lengths ranging from 6 to 105 feet, the GutterBrush can be easily installed and removed for cleaning, offering both convenience and practicality. Though slightly more expensive than foam or plastic alternatives, many users appreciate the extra layer of protection it provides. Reviewers have particularly noted its effectiveness in keeping gutters clear of debris, while also preventing animals from creating nests. Number 5. Amerimax Home Products Lock-In Gutter Guards. The Amerimax Home Products Lock-In Gutter Guards offer an affordable yet durable solution for those dealing with larger debris. Crafted from powder-coated steel, these guards are designed to snap securely into place without the need for screws or additional fasteners. The sturdy mesh design allows for excellent water flow while keeping out leaves and larger debris. However, smaller particles may pass through, making these guards less suitable for environments with finer debris like pine needles. Despite this, many homeowners have praised the Amerimax guards for their ease of installation and solid construction. Their snap-in design makes them a popular choice for those who want an easy, budget-friendly solution. Number 4. HOMWMPA Gutter Guard. The HOMWMPA Gutter Guard is a durable solution designed to prevent leaves, branches, and debris from clogging your gutters, drains, and eaves, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, the mesh is rust-resistant, long-lasting, and capable of handling heavy loads, ensuring it maintains its integrity over time. Measuring 5 inches by 40 feet, It's versatile enough for various gutter sizes and DIY projects. The GutterGuard effectively blocks debris while allowing water to flow freely, helping to prevent clogs and avoid the hassle of climbing the roof before each rainfall. For safe handling, gloves are recommended due to sharp edges. Additionally, the mesh can be used for other filtration tasks in household or garden applications. Number 3. Raptor Micro Mesh Gutter Guard Covers. The Raptor Micro Mesh Gutter Guard covers are a top-tier choice for homeowners seeking heavy-duty protection. Made from stainless steel, these guards are highly durable and rust-resistant, providing long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions. The micromesh design is particularly effective at filtering out small debris, including pine needles, while still allowing water to flow freely. While installation may be a bit more complex, with some users opting to hire a professional, many homeowners find the process manageable. Amazon reviewers consistently praise the Raptor Micromesh Gutter Guard for its robust construction and ability to handle tough conditions. If you live in an area with heavy debris like pine needles or frequent storms, these gutter guards offer superior protection and minimal maintenance. Number 2. LeafFilter Gutter Guard Protection. For those seeking premium gutter protection, the LeafFilter Gutter Guard Protection System offers top-notch performance. Made from a combination of stainless steel and UPVC materials, this custom-fit system provides superior protection against all types of debris, from leaves to roof granules. The micromesh design allows water to flow through while blocking even the smallest particles, ensuring your gutters stay clog-free. One key factor to consider is that LeafFilter must be professionally installed, which can increase the overall cost. However, the long-term benefits, including improved rainwater management and reduced maintenance, often justify the expense. Customers who have opted for LeafFilter appreciate the system's efficiency and the peace of mind that comes with not having to worry about regular gutter cleaning. Number 1. AM Gutter Guards. The AM Gutter Guards are designed with performance and durability in mind, making them an excellent choice for homeowners facing challenging weather conditions. Made from lightweight aluminum, these guards are resistant to rust and rot, ensuring they hold up over time. The perforated design allows water to flow smoothly while keeping out debris like leaves, dirt, and pine needles. Installation is relatively simple for DIY enthusiasts, though hiring a professional is recommended to ensure a perfect fit. The sleek design also makes these guards less noticeable from the ground, adding to their aesthetic appeal. Despite being on the higher end in terms of price, many users find the AM Gutter Guards worth the investment due to their durability and low-maintenance design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.